Anyone else open for business? Pepper? Asher? Oh, hello. Today I'm going to make a start on finishing this giant hole off. But in other news, we have received a delivery of flooring underlay, which is, well, it's this. It is from Poland or Czechoslovakia, I can't remember, and it is a vulcanized rubber cork mix, which is 4mm thick, that we put down below the Condine flooring, which, if you can't remember what it looks like what I'm about to show you in the guitar room, which we still need to do a kind of unfinished video on it, but as you can tell, where the door in finished, because this whole area is also getting reworked at the moment, opening everything up, and our original exterior wall, because we're currently in the extension built in what we believe is 1977. So this flooring, the Condine golden oak herringbone, and this is a kind of a peek of what it looks like at the moment. So we've got stereo amp set up with other amps on the go, a bunch of guitars, more guitars on the wall. It seems that a plant has appeared in here, which this must have been a purchase from today for Monica. My sit stand desk that I made, which the back of this guitar is the back and the neck of this guitar. We got some more guitars. We got the harp. And yeah, that's kind of all it is at the moment. Still need to kind of do some shelving over here. I wanted to make this singular panel a panel to do some artwork on, hang some artwork, some pictures, some framed stuff that I've got that I like. Yeah, some shelves here for the pedals and all the camera stuff. And eventually something in the center of that panel there. Really, I was thinking some kind of neon sign, but who knows. So anyway, back to it. So we've received the flooring underlay, and actually we've received something else. This is a two-part situation, and I may do its own video on this item that I've just put there behind me. That is because, well, not Christmas 2024, Christmas 2023. Come back to room 2. So this has become basically a storage and dumping ground once again, but albeit a tidier one than what it usually is. So Christmas, yeah, because we're in 2025, so Christmas 2024, Christmas 2023, Monica got for me something which I asked her to, if I can get it out. Obviously not. Well, a rosewood fingerboard. A nice rosewood fingerboard. Rosewood back and sides. So those are the sides. Head plate, bridge, blank. rosewood back. And this, well, I can't even remember what it is now, this top, which was really cool, Canadian red cedar, but you can already see the figure in it. It's called the Bear Claw. Well, obviously you know what it's for, it's to build an acoustic guitar. I don't know nothing about tap tone. Sounds terrible. But yeah, something I've been wanting to do for a long time is to build my own acoustic guitar, which is obviously going to be a lot more difficult than building an electric guitar, because this actually has to sound good. Anyway, so what I've got is a number 7 hand plane, because I don't have a thickness sander and I don't have access to one either. So the only way to thickness the back and sides down to like 2.5 to 3 millimeters is not by destroying it in a machine, but to hand plane it and then sand it down to thickness and scrape it. So yeah, I wanted to start that project at the beginning of, well, halfway through last year, after having the timber for like 6 months to really accumulate into Guernsey humidity and the humidity of the workshop in this house. But it's actually been a whole year after that because, well, we've just been busy. So that is something that I would like to do. We just got a new ball for Pepper and Chica is already destroying it. This is like 10 minutes old. So I'm sorry, Cheeky, but you cannot have it, which is Monica's parents' dog, the Jack Russell. Chica is staying with us at the moment while they're away. And there she is. I hope you're feeling guilty. good, you know. Oh, that's what I love to hear. Make one laugh.